Good morning students. This is our English class online session for class 8. As you know, in our new book of NCERT syllabus, ये NCERT का syllabus है, and in this book we have one unit and in each unit we have one chapter and one poem. हर एक unit में एक chapter है और एक poem है. Before this, studying this poem, we had studied first chapter, The Best Christmas Present in the World of Connie Macpherson and Jim Macpherson. And now we are going to study same unit poem, The Ant and the Cricket, adopted from Aesop's Fables. So, the ant and the cricket. Ant, who is ant? Chitty. And the cricket. Cricket means, in short, झिंगुर. जैसे कि these are small types of insects जो हमारे घर में घूम घूम की जो आवाज करते हैं, उन insects को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Cricket. And in Hindi, in slang language, we call them as झिंगुर. So what is a fable first of all? Aesop was a great writer and he used to write fables. Fables मतलब क्या होता है? जैसे fables में आपके character होंगे birds, insects, animals और उनके थ्रू पोएट आपको कुछ मैसेज कन्वे करना चाहेगा, उसे हम बोलते हैं फेबल्स. जैसे हमारे often we read about पंचतंत्र stories, they are also fables, they are kind of fables. So what is chapter about the ant and the cricket? ये किस बारे में है? It tells us how cricket जो कि किस चीज का आदि था, he was very jolly insect और jolly thing and उसे क्या पसंद था? जब वो उसके पास बहुत सारा टाइम होता है, when he had a huge time, he used to waste that time. वो उस टाइम को वेस्ट कर देता था. और and when the time came, when the situation got worse or opposite, और उसके पास ना तो उसने पैसा कमाया ना उसने कुछ नॉलेज, कुछ भी नहीं किया, he just simply wasted his time. और जब उसको जरूरत पड़ी उन सारी चीजों की, जैसे he wanted something, he had nothing. उसके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, ना खाने के लिए कुछ था, ना रहने की जगह, कुछ भी नहीं था. एंड देन ही स्टार्टेड टू क्राई. वो रोने लग गया कि अब मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. एंड ही वेंट टू अदर पीपल, लाइक ही वेंट टू द एंट. एंट के पास गया मदद के लिए. और तब ऐसे समय में ऐसे लोगों की कोई भी हेल्प नहीं करता है, क्योंकि आपको अपनी हेल्प खुद करनी पड़ती है. आप जब कभी अपना समय वेस्ट करते थे और जब समय आता है कि यू एक्सपेक्ट कि you have nothing and you expect others to help yourself, at that time nobody will be ready to help you. So let's see what the chapter, how our poem goes. A silly young accustomed to sing, who is a silly and young, it is referred to the cricket. ये cricket को झिंगुर को बोला गया है. A silly young accustomed. Accustomed means used to, आदत और habitual. A silly young, who? The cricket. Who is silly and young? Cricket is silly and young. He was habitual to sing through the warm, sunny months of gay summer. Like you know, summer कैसा होता है? Warm. It is warm, sunny months of gay. Gay means happy. Gay means what? Happy. Happy summer and spring. In these seasons he used to be happy and he used to sing a lot. Began to complain when he found that at home his cupboard was empty and winter was come. And as I said, some people waste their time and then they start to complain. Same was with the cricket. Cricket झिंगुर के साथ भी ऐसा ही हुआ. उसने समर के मंथ्स में क्या किया? उसने मेहनत नहीं की. He did not work out. He was used to sing and he used to waste his time. Thus, now what happened? Began to complain when he found that at home. And now he began to complain that he found that in his cupboard, means in his storage place, there was nothing to eat when winter was come. A winter आ गया. Winters are really very much So you cannot go outside and work up कि yes I can do this, I can do that. Winters are for resting purpose है. So winter आ गया, winter में अब मेहनत करना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है ना, इसलिए समर में मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी ना क्रिकेट को, तो उसने वेस्ट कर दिया समर एंड नाउ ही इज कंप्लेनिंग कि oh shit my cupboard is empty, I have nothing to eat, what should I do? So this. So such is with us human beings. हम when we have to do hard work, then we don't, at that time we don't do hard work and then start complaining when the real situation comes. Not a crumb to be found. Crumb means food. Not a crumb to be found. उसके पास खाने के लिए he had nothing. On the snow-covered ground, not a flower could he see, and it was such a harsh winter that he could not see a flower, fruit, trees, nothing. All were covered with snow. So you can imagine how hard it was to earn food now in this winter season. Not a flower could he see, not a leaf on a tree. They were all snow covered. ये सारे snow से covered हो गए थे. Oh, what will become? Says the cricket of me. And now cricket is worried about himself. कि अब now what will become of me? अब मेरा क्या होगा? I have nothing to eat. What should I do now? So we have studied the two stanzas and now the third one. At last, by starvation and famine, made bold, all dripping with wet and all trembling with cold. Means what? At last, by starvation. Starvation is what? A hunger. Death by hunger. What? Death by hunger. And famine is acute shortage of food. So these situations were being faced by whom? By the cricket. Cricket was facing the problem of starvation because he had nothing to eat. उसने कुछ सेव ही नहीं किया था समर में, तो वो खाएगा क्या? Right? Am I right? So he was facing the problem of starvation. He thought that I would die by hunger, I would die by starvation. And there is famine problem. Means मेरे पास खाना ही नहीं है. There is shortage of food. Then how will I survive? I need food for survival. Made bold and dripping with wet. Wet why? Because it is winter season and it is a frosty winter. बहुत ज़्यादा क्या है? It's cold and it was that cold. But he made a bold decision. He now no, I can't die. मैं ऐसे थोड़ा ना बोलूँगा. I need something. I need somebody's help. Then what he decided? He decided to go back to the ant. उसने ant के पास visit लेना उचित समझा. He thought कि मैं ant के पास जाके आता हूँ और मदद लेके आता हूँ. Trembling with cold, away he set off to a miserly ant. So away he set off means he went. He went to miserly means कंजूस ant. What is miserly? कंजूस. कौन कंजूस थी? Ant. Miserly ant. This is the adjective for ant. To see if, to keep him alive, he would grant him a shelter from rain and a mouthful of grain. और ये why he wanted to go to the ant? He thought I'll go and I'll beg for the help. मैं उससे help मदद के लिए I'll beg, मैं request करूँगा. To keep him alive, ताकि वो क्या कर सके? ताकि he keeps himself alive, वो खुद को जिंदा रख सके. He would grant, he who and he thought कि मैं जाऊँ और उससे help मांगूँ and he would grant him a shelter from rain. By दिस वॉज ऑल फ्रॉम क्रिकेट टू द एंड। ये सारा कुछ क्रिकेट ने एंड को बोल दिया अपनी तरफ से। अब एंड रिप्लाई दे रही है, एंड सुन रही थी इतनी देर। अब एंड क्या बोल रही है? व्हाट इज चिट्टी सेइंग? सेज द एंड टू द क्रिकेट, आई एम योर सर्वेंट एंड फ्रेंड। मैं आपका सर्वेंट हूँ, मैं आपकी फ्रेंड हूँ। बट वी एंड्स नेवर बोरो एंड वी एंड्स नेवर लेट। बट ये हमारे जीने का तरीका नहीं है। दिस इज नॉट आवर वे ऑफ लाइफ, इट इज नॉट आवर स्टाइल। वी एंड्स, हम एंड किसी को ना तो देते हैं और ना ही किसी से लेते हैं। वी नेवर बोरो एंड वी नेवर लेंड। हम तो अपना अपना खाते हैं, अपना अपना कमाते हैं। दैट इज इट। सो बट टेल मी डियर क्रिकेट, व्हाई डिड यू ले नथिंग बाय व्हेन द वेदर वाज वार्म? पर क्रिकेट एक बात तो बताओ तुम मुझे कि जब वेदर कंडीशन सही थी, जब समर सीजन था, तब तुमने कुछ किया क्यों नहीं? तुमने कुछ कमाया क्यों नहीं? Why didn't you earn something? Why didn't you save something? So cricket was asking out of curiosity कि तुम मदद के लिए आए बट तुमने कुछ क्यों नहीं किया उस टाइम? Now what cricket will reply you will see in next stanza. So therefore now what did cricket reply? What and asked कि तुमने इतने दिन क्या किया भाई? What you did in summer season when the climate, when the condition, when the situation was favorable, were you asleep? क्या तुम सो रहे थे उस टाइम? क्या किया? So what did cricket reply? Quoth the cricket, not I, my heart was so light. Quoth means what? Said. Said the cricket, not I, मैं नहीं, my heart, मेरा मन, मेरा दिल, it was so light. Light means here it's carefree. Right? Carefree. My heart was so carefree. मतलब I was lazy, I was carefree. मैंने अपनी जो मर्जी है वो करना था. Like that. That I sang day and night. I was so carefree, I was so like that. मैं दिन रात क्या करता था? I used to sing day and night. For all nature looked gay because it was spring season. All everywhere it was greenery. It was so happy to see the nature, and I love to sing. I used to sing day and night during that time. You sang, sir, you say. Then what did cricket and say? And ने क्या बोला? Sir, आपने पूरे सीजन गाना गाया. You sang day and night. So now go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. If you sang in summer, then now it's winter. You go and dance the winter away. Now you go happily dance in the winter, and your winter will also pass. कि तुम्हारा winter भी ऐसे ही pass हो जाएगा अगर तुम summer में गाना गाएगा तो अब dance करो. So then what happens? Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket. At last, when the conversation between ant and the cricket was over, he hastily means he hurriedly went. वो गए वहाँ पर और उन्होंने क्या किया? He lifted the wicket. Wicket means दरवाजा खोला और वो बाहर चले गए. And out of the door turned the poor little cricket. And cricket was very disappointed कि nobody was ready to help him. Means ants, all the ants were not ready to help him. Ants उसको help करने के लिए ready नहीं थे और अब वो बहुत मायूस उदास हो गया and he went away. Folks call this a fable. What is folks? People. People call this a fable means लोग इसको सिर्फ कहानी बताते हैं कि it's a fable. I'll warrant it true, but what does the author poet say? कि मैं इसको जीवन की सच्चाई मानता हूँ. It is really true. ये बात सच है जो मैंने एंट और क्रिकेट के थ्रू आपको बताई है. क्यों सच है? Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. In our story, the cricket had 4 legs, right? It was an insect. It had 4 legs, right? 4 legs के जो cricket है वो इतना ज़्यादा carefree. Like what are the characteristics of this cricket? इस चिंगूर की क्या है? It was lazy. It was short-sighted. वो एकदम दूर की नहीं सोच पाया. उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि जब समय आएगा तो my condition will be really worse. मेरी situation बहुत worse हो जाएगी. और उसने क्या किया? अभी जो present है उसको बस he thought it as a blessing and he he did not prepare for his future, so he was in a trouble in future. Same is with some human beings. Some crickets have 4 legs, means it is this cricket जो झिंगुर है वो, बट कुछ क्रिकेट है जिनके 2 लेग होते हैं. Why 2 legs? Because it is referred to the human beings. Whom this 2 legs refer? It referred to the humans. What author or poet wants to say? कि some crickets, those who have 2 legs, जो humans है, they are also of same nature. They are short-sighted. They never prepare for their future. They are so relaxed when the present time they have a huge ample amount of time to work up, and they never take up the work. वो उस टाइम काम नहीं करते, and in future when really the problem is upon them, they start complaining, they start to cry, and in those times nobody is ready to help him. और उस समय उनकी मदद के लिए कोई भी आगे नहीं आता है. So do you get this? And stepping aside, आप इससे अच्छे से देख लीजिए. You see it very properly. You have to read the poem. You have to keep your textbook in front of your eyes. First follow the video. इसको अच्छे से देख लीजिए और उसके बाद poem को पढ़ लीजिए. And you have to write down the hard words which I have mentioned meanwhile explaining the chapter. Thank you very much. So, what is the lesson we take from this poem? कि हमें भी उस ant की तरह बनना है. We have to become like this ant who prepares for her future, and not like this cricket who wastes his present time and cries in the future. So, what is your duty? You have to study from, you have to prepare from now like this ant, and not cry like this cricket when the time comes. So, I hope you have started studying. Thank you.